Alright guys, so if you are actually not using the Gate.io exchange, believe me, you are definitely missing a lot, because I've been making serious money from Gate.io recently. Okay, now if you observe right here, Gate.io are actually organizing a limited time listing campaign, okay, for the Carv airdrop. So you can see right here, Gate.io Carv limited time listing campaign. Deposit and trade Carv to share $10,000. Okay guys, so right in this video I'm gonna take you through the process on how you can actually participate on this campaign, okay, and stand a chance to make this amount which you are seeing right here on my screen. Okay, so before I continue guys, if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Tari, and here I share updates on how to make money online, and I also share updates about airdrops, okay, and crypto related content. So if you're watching my video for the first time guys, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of my valuable content like this. And if you have been watching my video guys and you haven't done that, kindly support me by subscribing to this channel. That is the only way you can support me. Okay guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive in today's video. Alright guys, so to participate on this, all you need to do is to make sure you download the Gate.io app. Okay, you can actually use the website. You can see right here I am on the website. Okay, now all you need to do is to register and make sure you complete your KYC right here. That should be your very first step, okay, to participate on this. Now to have a share of this $10,000 on the Carv airdrop limited time listing campaign right here on Gate.io, there are just three things which you need to consider, okay. And you can see the very first one here, they have activity 1, and in activity 1 you are to deposit Carv to share a 5,000 prize pool. Okay, don't forget that is you can see from the $10,000. okay, the very first thing you need to do is to deposit Carv and stand a chance to have $5,000 for yourself. Okay, don't forget from the 10,000 you have gotten $5,000 for depositing Carv. Okay, and you can see the second activity right there, trade Carv to split $3,000 prize pool. Okay, so after depositing Carv on Gate.io, the second thing you need to do in order to participate on this is to make sure you trade Carv on Gate.io, okay, to split a $3,000 prize pool. Okay, and the third one there, which is activity 3, Carv community new users exclusive, share $2,000 prize pool. Okay, so this one is for those of you who are yet to register. Okay, so if you are new to the platform, all you need to do is to register and stand a chance to have a share of 2,000 prize pool. Don't forget, this actually started on the 11th of this month. That was few days ago. Okay, and it's gonna end on 18th. Okay, so make sure you actually do this before the 18th of this month to be part of those that is gonna have a share of $10,000 right here on Gate.io. And guys, if before I go ahead and show you the process, let's scroll down. You can see right here, like I said before, it started on the 11th of this month and it's gonna end on 18. So let me explain the activity 1 in detail, okay, based on what you can see right here on my screen. So they say activity 1, deposit Carv to share 5,000 prize pool. During the campaign period, users who deposit at least $10 in Carv will share a total of $5. Okay, so what they are trying to say here is that you need to deposit $10 worth of Carv. Okay, so that is just very simple to okay, this is easy and the figure is not that much. Okay, $10 is something you can actually afford. Okay, so the first thing to do on the very first activity is to deposit $10 worth of Carv, and that is it for the very first one. And you can see I go again, during the campaign period, users who deposit at least $10 in Carv will share a total of 5,000 distributed proportionally based on their net deposit volume. Okay, now that simply means, based on the last lines, okay, if you actually deposit more than the $10, that simply means you would stand a chance to earn more than the person that actually deposit anything from 10. You understand what I mean by that? Okay, and I move over to activity 2, and here they say Trade Carv to split a $3,000 prize pool, and I go, during the campaign period, users who complete spot trading of no less than 100 in Carv will share 3,000 proportionally based on the spot trading volume. Okay, so now the activity number 2 right here is that you need to trade on spots. Okay, you need to trade Carv on spot with no less than $100. Okay, that is actually something you can do. Okay guys, and that is it for the activity 2. And activity 3 right here, they say Carv community new users exclusive, share a $2,000 prize pool. Okay, so here they say new users who register with identity verification and deposit at least $10 in Carv, BTC or USDT can split the reward based on their net deposit volume. Okay, so right here you can see they actually give you 3 options. You can deposit either in Carv, BTC or USDT. Okay, at least it should worth $10 right here. Okay, so now to register on get.io guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, so kindly use the link in the description just in case you are yet to register. And if I go down a bit, you can see notice, and number 1 they say all participants need to complete identity verification to claim reward. So this simply means you must carry out your KYC. Okay, I have already made a video on how to carry out your KYC right here on get.io, so I'm also gonna leave the link right here in the description. And the number 2, don't forget, this is based on the activity from the very first one. Okay, I am just giving you this in details. Okay, so I screw up again, and they say net deposit volume equals deposit plus fiat buyers or withdrawal plus fiat sales. I hope we understand what I'm trying to explain right here. And the third one, they say trading volume, buyer volume plus sell volume. And number 4, the total pool price of the activity is 2,000 Carv. The ceiling to split the price pool in activity 1 or activity 2 is equivalent to $100 in Carv. The ceiling to split the price pool in activity 3 is equivalent to $50 in Carv. Alright guys, so to avoid making this video longer, when doing this, I would love you to take out your time and go through these notes. Okay, make sure you go through this. And let me read the very last one. They say risk warning, please be sure to note that the visual currency market is volatile and losses may occur in different situations, so you are strongly recommended to understand all the related information and be vigilant in regards to your investment action. So make sure you take out your time to read this. Okay, the notice, read this before you carry out the process. Okay guys, so to participate on this, all you need to do, you can see right here they say tick the box to sign up for the event. So what I'm gonna do right here is to tick here where they wrote join that, and the next thing I need to do is to click on submit. So let's go, and this is it, verify. Traffic. Okay guys, so you can see you have successfully registered for the campaign, and that is it guys. Make sure you take out your time to study this, and don't forget activity 1, activity 2 and also activity 3 are the requirements to participate on this limited time campaign. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you are doing this because you will actually stand a chance to make cool money for yourself right here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and before I leave, for early access to updates like this guys, make sure you join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave the link right here in the description. You can also join my WhatsApp community. Okay, so thank you guys, and see you in my next video.